Hello everyone, I am Karan Jain and I welcome you back on our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing your translation service business. Okay, so the idea here is, imagine you have a translation service agency where you're providing translators for multiple foreign languages. Okay, to promote your business you have run a live advertisement on Facebook. But the problem here is, whenever a new lead is generated through your advertisement, you have to send them a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Again, if you'll follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of your lead, then you have to manually type a message, add the link of your brochure, and finally you will send it to them on WhatsApp. This process will be very long, which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation here. You want something like, you have run a live advertisement on Facebook, okay? Now customers or new leads will reach to your advertisement. As soon as they will reach the advertisement, a form will pop up. They will fill up the form, and on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, here I have used two applications. First, I have used Facebook. So we have used this platform to run our live advertisement. And secondly, I have used WhatsApp. You know, it's a famous chatting app, to send them the message with the link of the brochure. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is, there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together, so that every time the customer will reach to your advertisement and they will fill up the form, on successful form submission, automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to have any technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Guys, as you can see on my screen, this is how the form will appear in front of the customer. Now the idea here is, we will fill up the form on behalf of our customer, and on successful form submission, the customer will receive a WhatsApp message. So I have opened my WhatsApp web page for you. Here the message will be reflected as soon as we will submit the form. So I'll click on next, but before that, just read the name of our customer is Tina Manuel. This is the phone number and the email address. Now I'll click on next and I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now guys, you have to wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes to get the message. The message will be reflected here in just 2 minutes. So wait for it. Okay guys, as you can see clearly on my screen, a message has just arrived for Tina Manuel, which says, "Hello Tina Manuel, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z translation services. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our translation services. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit to our website. Note, please save this in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, A to Z translation services." Now let me click on the link and let me show it to you if it takes us to the correct brochure. Yes guys, this was the particular PDF file I want to send to my customer. Here I have shown it for example. You can attach your PDF file. Okay. Now let me show you the process on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration, as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So what we're gonna do first is, we will log in into our Pabbly Connect account and we will integrate our first application, which is Facebook lead ad. Now why we are integrating Facebook lead ad here? Because we have run a live advertisement on our Facebook account, and customers will be reaching to our advertisement and they will submit the form. Now when they will submit the form, I want their details to get transferred into Pabbly Connect. So at first it is important to integrate Facebook lead ad. Now step number 2 says the same, collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. So as soon as they will fill up the form, on successful form submission, automatically their data will be transferred into Pabbly Connect. Now step number 3 says send the brochure on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So in the final step, we will be sending the brochure with the message on WhatsApp to our customer. But guys, here's the twist. We are not integrating WhatsApp directly. Instead, we are using 360 dialog. Why? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that, you have to use another software that is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay. Now let's start with the process. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine and type Pabbly. P-A-B-B-L-Y, remember, P-A-B-B-L-Y. Press enter. And as you can see on my screen, this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is click on products and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. Today we are using Pabbly Connect, so click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. For the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, guys, you have to click this and you can create your free account, completely free account in just 2 minutes. Because I am already logged in, I'll click on sign in. Okay, once again, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. As you know, today we are in use of Pabbly Connect. So come here and click on access now. Let it load for a second, guys. And this is how the dashboard of Pabbly Connect looks. Here you can see I have created various workflows. Now we have to create a new workflow. So for that, come to your right corner again. You can see a blue button is given to you which says create workflow. Click here and a mini box will emerge in front of you. Now we have to name our workflow, the workflow which we will be creating today. We have to name our workflow. So let's say I'll name my workflow as Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, I have given the name to my workflow as the name of the applications I am integrating today. You can name it accordingly according to your wish. Okay, but make sure whatever you'll give the name to your workflow, you should remember it afterwards. Okay, now I'll click on create. And we have successfully entered the workflow. Here we will be performing the steps of integration. Here you can see the title name which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Now before we start with the process, guys, let me give you one important information. The workflow which we are creating today, this current workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box, so you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Guys, don't worry, don't forget to go and check the link. Now let me tell you what is trigger and what is action. Let's read out here what it is written first. Trigger: when this happens, choose your first application. Trigger: action: do this, choose your next application. Action. So trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. In this particular case, trigger event will be submission of the form. So people will, the new leads will enter to your advertisement and they will fill up the form. So successful submission of the form will be the trigger event. And what is the action? What is the response we want? As soon as the customer will fill up the form on successful form submission, they will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Okay, now let's start with the process. So we have to choose our first application, which is Facebook lead ads. So click here on your first application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this and a new field of trigger event has emerged in front of you. Now if you'll click this arrow, you can see the particular trigger event which is new lead. I'll choose this and now I'll click on connect. Okay, a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for 2 options, add new connection and select existing connection. I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Guys, because I am already logged in with my Facebook account, so it is showing me authorized in. Okay, successfully authorized in. Now here we have to fill up the value in 2 required field. The first field, it is asking us for the page, and second is lead generation form. So first let me take you to my Facebook account and let me show you the page in my Facebook account which I have created for this workflow. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Facebook. Now come to your left corner. Here some options are given to you. Among that, you have to click on pages. Okay, now here you can see all of the pages I have in my Facebook account. Now we have to search for the particular page which I have created for this workflow, for current workflow. Let me search for it, guys. It will take maximum 5 to 10 seconds. Let me search it fast. Okay, here is the page, translation service. Let me show it to you. Let me open it for you. So guys, this is the particular page which I want to map there in my Pabbly Connect account. So let me show it to you how you can map this particular page there. Okay, come to the page section, click on this arrow. Now in the scroll down, you can see all of the pages which I have shown you are there in my Pabbly Connect in my Facebook account.
Now, what you have to do, click this arrow and you have to simply search for the page, for the particular page on which you have run the live advertisement, and simply click here. So the page will be mapped and automatically the form which is integrated with this page will appear here. Now guys, let me show you one important information. Because I haven't run any live advertisement on my Facebook page, so I cannot show you how the customers will see the form from your Facebook account. But for this, Facebook provides you with different website, which is Facebook for developers, where you can test the example. So let me take you to that site and let me show it to you how the customers will see the form. Okay. So you can see on my screen, this is how the form will appear in front of the customer. Now I have filled up the form on behalf of our customer. The customer's name is Sam John. This is the phone number and the email ID. I'll click on next and now I'll submit the form. So the idea here is, as soon as we have submitted the form, I want the details of my customer to get transferred into Pabbly Connect. So let's go to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see if the customer's data has been captured there successfully or not. Okay guys, here what you have to do, click on save and send test request and see for the responses if they are successfully captured here or not. Yes guys, you can clearly see the responses has been successfully captured in your Pabbly Connect account. This was the name of our customer, the phone number and the email ID. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our first application, which is Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now we will jump to our next and final step, which is integration of 360 dialog. Why we are using 360 dialog here guys, because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that we have to use another software, that is official API of WhatsApp, which is 360 dialog. Okay, so click on your next application, come to the search field and here you have to search for 360 dialog. Here you can see WhatsApp by 360 dialog. Click here and a new field of action event will emerge in front of you. Now if you'll click this arrow, you can see the various action event. I want to choose this particular action event, which is send template message. So I'll click on this and now I'll click on connect. A mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options. As soon as you will click on add new connection, it will ask you to fill up two required fields. First, it is asking for the API key and the domain. So guys, to find out where we can get the API key, we have to read the description. Okay, here it is written, enter API key. Here you can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. And in the domain, it is written, enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key example, vaba.360dialog.io. Okay, so let me take you to my account on 360 dialog first, and then I'll show you from where you can find the API key. So guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on 360 dialog. Now, if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that I have created a different video and I have added the link of that video in my description box. Now guys, I have added one more link in my description box. If you will go through that link, you can avail the services of this particular application 360 dialog at very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links guys. Now let me show it to you from where you can find the API key. Come to your left corner, here you can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp account. Now come to your right corner below, you can see a blue button is given which says generate API key. Guys, listen to this very carefully. You have to click this button and your API key will be generated along with the domain. Now this process of generating API key is a one-time process, so you don't have to do it again and again. You simply have to click here once, the API key and the domain will be generated, and the same API key and the domain can be used for different workflows guys, so you don't have to do it again. Remember it. Now as I have told you, this is a one-time process. I have already generated my API key and the domain. What I'll do, I'll copy both of the values and I'll paste it here accordingly. Now because of some security reason, I cannot show you this process, so I can tell you what you have to do. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is click on generate API key. As as soon as your API key and the domain will be generated, copy them both, come to Pabbly Connect and paste it here accordingly. Click on save and you will be automatically authorized back to your workflow. So guys, let me complete this process and we will directly meet in our workflow. So as you can see, I've been successfully authorized in back to my workflow. It was a very simple process. Okay, guys. Now here we have to fill up the required value in the fields. First, it is asking us for the template. So first, let me show it to you what is template. If I'll take you back to my account on 360 dialog. Now, besides generate API key, it is written show details. Click here and you can see three options given in your top. Click on templates and you can see all of the templates which I have created for different workflow. Now for this particular workflow, I've created a template. Let me show it to you. Let me show you the particular template. Here you can see the name of my template is send brochure final. Let me open it for you. Guys, you can read this message. So the template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent to our customers. Let me read it out for you. Here it is written, hello, 1. Thank you for showing your interest in 2. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with the message where you can find all the services which we offer in our 3 link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards 6. Now, you people must be thinking, what are these numbers and why they are given here in double boxes? So let me tell you, these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. For example, in place of number 1, the name of our customer will come. So as soon as I'll enter the name in body field 1, you can see automatically the number has changed to its original value which we have given. Same goes with number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the variables. This is just for an example to show you. Now guys, it is not important to fix any numbers of variables. When you will create your template, you can keep the variables according to your message or according to your need. Now let me tell you how you can create the template. If you'll go up at top, you can see a blue button at your right corner which says add template. You have to click this and the format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template here. You can select the language, in which particular language you want the body of SMS, and finally you will type the body of SMS. Now listen to it carefully again, guys. After creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit. Guys, after you will create the template, you have to send the template for approval process. The approval process is done by Facebook and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. If I'll tell you in general, within 1 day your approval will be done. But don't forget, guys, to create the template and send it for approval, because without the approval you cannot use your template. Let me show it to you on my screen. Here you can see all my templates are already approved. That's why I can use my templates. Now I have to map the particular template which I have shown it to you here in Pabbly Connect. So what I'll do, I'll click the arrow and I can see all of the templates which I have there in my Pabbly Connect account can be seen here in the scroll down. All I have to do is search for the particular template which is send brochure final, and simply I'll click there, click the particular template, and it will be automatically mapped. Now let it load, guys. Now you don't have to do anything with these fields. These fields will be automatically be filled up. In the language code, it is written EN. EN is the code for English. Now let me show it to you in my 360 dialog account. Here under the language section, it is written EN, EN, EN. This shows that all our templates are in the English language, and because EN is the code for English, here it is written EN. So these fields will be automatically be filled up. You need not to do anything. Now we have to map the recipient mobile number, guys. Before that, let me tell you what is mapping of data. If you'll click on the field, a scroll down will appear. Click on the scroll down and you will see the responses. Now these responses are the same responses which we have captured above here in Pabbly Connect. So this feature of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly Connect, because whenever you are required to fill up the value in the required field, you need not to go up, search for the value, copy it, then come down and paste it here again and again. Simply what you have to do, you have to click on the field, scroll down will appear, click on the scroll down and search for the value. So this is the number. I'll simply click it and it will be mapped automatically. Now the body fields have started, guys. In every body field and in front of every body field, the example is given to you so that you can understand what we have to fill in the particular body field. Like in body field 1, the example is given Heather Ali. So here we have to map the name of our customer. How? You have to click the field, go to the scroll down, search for the value and simply click here. Okay. Now in body field 2, in front of body field 2, in the example it is written Pably Connect. So here we will enter the name of our services, which is A to Z Translation Services. Okay. Now in body field 3 example, it is given software. So here we have to write the product what we are providing. We are providing translation services. Okay. Now in body field 4, in front of body field 4, in the example, a link is given to you. So here we have to attach the link of the brochure which we want to send to our customer. So guys, I have created a PDF file and I have uploaded it in my Google Drive account. Let me show it to you. So this is my Google Drive account and this is the particular PDF file. So here, just for an example, I have created this PDF file. Okay. What you have to do, I'll explain it to you. The PDF file which you will upload it in your drive, you have to find the link of that PDF file. How? Come to your right corner when you will open your PDF file where it is written more option. Click here and now click on share. Here it is written get link, but first read out what it is written here. Restricted, only people added can open with this link. So I'll change this to anyone on the internet with this link can view. Now I'll copy the link. I'll go to Pably Connect account and simply I'll paste it here. Okay. Now in body field file in the 5 in the example it is written the website. So let's enter the website. Let's say our website name is A to Z translation.com. Okay guys, I'm telling you one more time, whenever you will create your template, so you can create your template according to yourself and you can keep the variables according to yourself. I have took these all fields in the variable. That's why I'm entering these field. If in case you are not in requirement for this field of website, so you can remove it. You can remove this column. This is not a problem. Okay. Now in body field 6, again in the example it is written Pably. So I'll simply copy the name of my services and I'll paste it here. Okay. Guys, let me show it to you once again. We have successfully filled up all of the details here. Now what we will do, we have to click on save and send test request and we will see the responses if they are positive or not. Yes guys, the responses are completely positive as there is no error it is showing to us. So let me take you to the WhatsApp webpage and let me show it to you if we have received any message on behalf of a customer there or not. Yes guys, you can clearly see a message has just arrived for Sam John which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z translation services. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our translation services. Here's the link. For more details, you can visit to our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable." So what happens, generally what happens guys, when you will save the number, then only the link becomes the hyperlink, or unless you won't save the number, this link will be a normal link only. So remember it to attach with your template whenever you will create your template for your customer, to give a note for this. Okay, thank you, regards, A to Z translation services. Now let me show it to you the link if it takes you to the correct brochure or not. Yes guys, this is the particular PDF file. I have shown it to you. So you have seen how successfully the integration has worked. Now let me show it to you one more time what we have done in our workflow. First, we have integrated Facebook lead ads with Pably Connect because we want the customers who will fill up the form, the data of that customer should get transferred into Pably Connect, and then from Pably Connect it will be transferred to 360 Dialog to send the customers a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So in the second step, we have integrated 360 Dialog with Pably Connect. So guys, it was a very simple workflow of just two steps I mean. One more thing, the link I'll add the link of this workflow which we have created today. I'll add it in my description box, so you can directly click on the link and you can clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. Guys, don't forget to.
Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.